Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. In this video, I will show you how to find the Windows host file and how to edit it. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. You have to open your this PC. So open your file manager, then go to this PC, then select the Windows C drive, open it. Now go to Windows, then you have to scroll down a bit and try to find System32. Now we are looking for System32 folder. Open it. Now go to a driver folder. Scroll down a bit. As you can see here, drivers. Select it. Open it. Now look for etc folder. As you can see here, etc folder here. Say open it. Now to do the changes in host file, right click on the host file and go to edit in notepad. You will find the all the details saved in this host file. Now before making changes, you need administrator privileges. Right click on the host file and select open with notepad. As I don't want to edit it, and now you can edit the file as needed. Just make sure don't delete anything important. Okay, now for applying changes, press Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard. Then open command prompt, type command. Now open your command prompt and run as administrator. Select yes. Then type ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Then enter. Now you can see my flush the DNS resolve cache. Now close this bar and that's it. Now you know how to find a host file and edit the host file. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.